All right, so today I wanted to do an unboxing of the Insta360 Ace Pro so you can see exactly what you get. So on the box, you can see it's co-engineered with Leica. On the side, you can see it's got AI-powered editing, a 2.4-inch flip screen, 10 meters for underwater. It's got the magnetic mount, and it's got a 1/1.3-inch sensor, PureVideo, just all the bells and whistles and some really great features. Okay, so let's open up this box here. It opens up just like this, and there is your Ace Pro, just in all of its glory right there. Okay, so we will peel off these little screen protectors and glass protectors, and even the magnetic mount on the bottom protector. And inside the box, let's go back to that. There's a little box inside of that that has some accessories in it, and also has some little manuals and warranties and how-tos and safety guidelines and stickers, which is cool. They also have this. It comes with a magnetic mount, so you can just clamp it on right at the bottom, and it is on there securely, and it won't come off unless you pinch the sides to pull it off. And it gives you the mount for the action camera. It also comes with this adhesive mount that you can put like on a helmet or your car, and it will work great. It also does come with a very fast USB-C charging cable. And yeah, that's basically everything that comes in the box. Now the Ace Pro itself, you can see it has that Leica lens on it and that 1/1.3-inch sensor. It does have a flip screen on the back that flips up so you can preview your shots if you're vlogging, or even preview for low shots. So that's really nice. It just shuts like that. You can see there is a spot for charging with USB-C, but also has a slot for your micro SD card, so you can pop that thing in right there. On the other side, you have your spot for the battery, so you could just open this up like that. It's all waterproof, sealed and everything. And yeah, you have your battery right here. Just pop it right in and you're ready to go. So that's basically the Ace Pro. It is a beautiful little action camera. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.